So now we'll make a linear equation to solve two quadratic equations given to us, two simultaneous quadratic equations. So we have a system of equations here. We have this equation and we have this equation. Now we have to make one of them linear to actually be able to solve for x and y. Now we'll give this equation the name equation 1, and we'll now use this equation and we'll basically expand it. So we'll basically expand x plus 3 whole square over here and y minus 1 whole square over here, and we get this equation as a result. And now we'll do some calculations, subtract and add and everything like that, and in the end we get this equation over here. Now we'll give this the name equation 2. So we'll basically now solve them simultaneously. We'll subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Now over here basically you'll subtract x square and x square, you'll subtract y square and y square, and then basically as a result you'll get 6x minus 2x, you'll get 4x over here, you'll get minus 2y minus 0 minus 2y, and over here you'll get minus 5 minus 9, so minus 14. Now you have this whole equation, 4x minus 2y is equal to minus 14, and you can basically take 2 common outside, so you'll get this equation. Now you'll divide minus 14 by this 2 over here, and now you have basically this equation, and now you'll actually have an equation in y over here. So y is equal to 2x plus 7. This is equation 3. Now put the value of y from equation 3 in equation 1. So basically we found equation 1 earlier, the second equation given in the question, and you'll replace y with 2x plus 7 from equation 3. Now once you expand this and do all the calculations, you get this quadratic equation over here. Take 5 common outside and then divide 0 by 5, and so you'll get this quadratic equation. Now you'll factorize this quadratic equation, and so you'll get this two factors, x plus 4 and x plus 2. And now either x plus 4 can be 0 or x plus 2 can be 0, or both of them can be 0. So now you'll equate x plus 4 to 0 and x plus 2 to 0 to get two values for x, and you get x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to minus 2. Now you'll put these values in equation 3. So when you put x is equal to minus 4, the first value of x in equation 3, you get y is equal to 2 minus 4 plus 7, and you get a value for y which is minus 1. Now when you put y, okay, now this is the first part of the solution set. So when x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to minus 1. Now when x is equal to minus 2 and you put that into equation 3, you get a value of y is equal to 3, and so you'll get a set over here. So when x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 3, and this is your solution set. This is the first set and this is the second set.